Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys how to take off a AC pump off of a 2005 Mazda 3, 2.3 liter on this one. So it's a common problem on these guys that these freeze up completely, so it's a pretty straightforward job, and I'm going to show you what you got to do to take it off. So stay with me. So the first step is remove the heat shield, which I've already removed, and there's going to be 10mm bolts right here on top. This is on the passenger side, by the way. Two 10mm bolts and one Phillips that goes right here. Then underneath, you'll have a couple more 10mm bolts that go across. It's really straightforward to take off. The next step is at the bottom of the pump. You're gonna have three 12mm bolts. Let's see if I can get my camera going here. 1, 2, and 3. Don't mind that fourth one yet, right there. And remove those guys to take off that heat shield right here. Alright, the next step is to remove the 10mm bolts on the AC lines themselves. You got your high side and your low side on here. Make sure you do not remove these unless you have the system evacuated first, so you don't have pressure blowing out and oil everywhere. It'll be a big mess. So remove those 10mm bolts. They're very straightforward. So if I can get my hand in here, that guy, and then you can see the other little brass looking guy back there. Super easy to do, and then we'll go from there. Alright, once your AC lines are removed, the next step is to disconnect the little connectors right here on the line and disconnect your actual electronic connector, which is fairly straightforward as well. Alright, once your connector is disconnected, this little guy right here, you're going to want to remove these 4 bolts right here, 12mm as well, and then your pump will drop out. You pull that guy out and you slap in the new one, and you do the same thing. You reverse the same process, put it all back together, and you're good to go. Take it down to the shop and have them refill or flush, dry, and refill your whole system, and then you're good to go. And that's it. Thanks, guys.